and it is the largest screen in the Middle East and Africa. So it was cool to be watching this first 8 minutes.
Yeah, you have to be,
screen,
and the
right?
seats they gave us, our management didn't buy tickets, I guess. So we got the cheapest ticket, so we had to see from one side to the other. And then because we're in Dubai, we had to read it from left side to right also for the Arabic part, yeah. So it was...
No, but I should tell you that our nostrils are damn good. That's all I could see.
All right, but I really want to take this moment, sorry, I don't want to make it sound formal, but thank you Vox Cinemas for bringing us here, and everyone, I've been here before, I've had an experience of watching films here, and today I had out the food outside. It's really marvelous, and specifically the fact that we can get to meet everyone who loves us so much. I know it takes a lot of... It takes a lot of arrangement, and Vox Cinema need not do this, but they do it just so that we can also get to meet everyone in comfort. So thank you for coming, thank you Vox Cinema, and also I've been made to understand that most of the business, about 10% to even a little more of the whole of UAE is done from this mall and this theatre. So it becomes even more important that we come share the cinematic experience here. So thank you very much for everything.
Thank you guys very much for being here in the UAE to promote your film. And yeah, as we've said many times before, we really love you all more than anyone else in the world. It's true.
It is true. It is absolutely true. Now the fans, they've been waiting here for a long time, but the media is also waiting here. So can we start with the press conference?
Yes, most certainly, yes.
Films. Was it like that for you guys? Have you ever had a travel experience that is just, you've come back not the same person as you left?
I want to know your story. How did you come back?
To be really honest, I'm not much of a traveler. In terms of, I'm not like wanting to always go out and travel. For me, traveling is in the 5-star hotel that they put me in. And I like the hotels in I'm very unexciting like that. But specifically for this, I think yes. I've obviously traveled a lot of outdoors for a lot of films. But this one was quite special because Imtiaz has a very cozy, familial and warm way of making films. And then, and more so in this one, they were only, as a matter of fact, I mean, there are other characters and very important actors, but mostly the film is just Anushka, myself, and Imtiaz, to be really honest. And so we moved from city to city every 7-8 days, and just working in the day and hanging out together in the evening. So yes, it did make me feel, all films are dear, but this one made me feel it's dearer because somehow it's very personal for all of us. So yeah, it has changed me. I've become a nicer person. I'm liking Anushka even more than I liked her before, if that was possible. And हमारी फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है कि दिल में घर कर गई. So I think ये फिल्म, अनुष्का और इम्तियाज तीनों ने मेरे दिल में घर कर दिया इस पिक्चर के बाद.
A lot of times, and I think it's really good for your soul, or at least I'd like to hope so. But yeah, I do like traveling alone, and I think travel does add a lot to just make you see things in a little different way. And I think Imtiaz's films, and that is what is special about his films, that through the journey of the film, the characters recognize the emptiness or the good things inside them, and then somewhere complement each other and complete one another, and then discover that it was perhaps love that caused that. But that's like the underlying factor. It's not like an apparent like I love you. It's not like that. So they're still discovering themselves and love through travel, and I think that's why we relate to it so much.
So you travel alone and check in yourself?
This check-in thing, you have a thing. He says he can't check in. He's very scared of checking in.
You can find your bag on your own and take it.
When was the last time you had to pick up your own bag?
Comfortable and cool he is in terms of the way he is with people. Even if it's, bhari, but he's like that. I mean, he talks to them and is very charming in that way. So yeah, I like to take that from Harry. Because Sejal abhi bahut kar liya na, so like now I want something different. So I'm going to take something from Harry.
Sure. I take it from Sejal because she's so organized and proper, and has everything. I mean, of course, she's lost a ring, which is a big boo-boo. But apart from that, she's very careful and organized and gets things done on time. I can sense that her life will be in order, which is most unlike mine. So I would try to take some order of orderliness of Sejal from the character.
Awesome. Okay. We'll open
Yeah.
the floor now for questions, and we have our ushers here. And yes, the lady in the third row.
Hi Shahrukh and Anushka. Welcome to Dubai.
My God.
When you're hearing it, it's like much nicer than how he's saying it.
Don't try to dominate me. I'm not your boyfriend.
Before they come to any conclusions, we explain that there was a dialogue in the film.
There's a dialogue in the film.
Before that makes it to headlines somewhere. Alright, next question.
Hi. Here, second, third.
Oh, okay.
Hi. Good afternoon. I'm Yasmin Makbul from Hook Dog Fashion.
Hi, Yasmin.
Shaf, the question is for you. Since you're a brand ambassador of Dubai, we'd like to know where would you take Sejal to be hunting for her ring in Dubai? What places?
Where would I take her? What places?
Yes,
Oh,
in
so
Dubai.
many places I would take. Actually, I've been requesting Anushka and her whole team that if she can one day not sleep by 8 p.m. We're really requesting. I even told her, please don't take it wrong. All the journalists, I told her, here, I will request because Dubai is my city. You can just lay back on the sofa. I'd answer all the questions. Ask her. I told her, we can go in the press conference, you just go to sleep. There's a lovely sofa, rest, so I can take you out in Dubai. Lots of places. I would start with where I stay, where my house is. I've been wanting to take her there because I said I'll cook for her there, and it's a lovely place. I really enjoy, in the Palms there, and so many places. There's this one, I forget the name of the place. There's one like a nightclub. What is it called? The music hall, which I really love. I don't know if you people have been there. I think it's really nice. It's extremely decent, dignified, and good music, and live music plays there. So that's where I would take her. For food, Nobu's, of course, whichever place she likes. And then lots of places. I want to take her desert safari, on those sand dunes, and show her that where this actually wave came from. There's a lot of places. I hope she's a little awake or not so tired. I will take her out here.
Question
Awesome.
number 3.
Okay, press conference over. I'm going home with the girls.
I think we should manage expectations really at this point.
We have the lady on the left.
Hi, Shahrukh. I'm your biggest fan.
Thank you.
Hi, Anushka. My name is Richa and I'm from Telelife magazine. So I wanted to ask, Imtiaz Ali's movies are all about transformation. So does...
Emotionally also, apart from what we say in the film, where he does go through a transformation, because without letting out too much of the plot or how the film moves, I think he is a person who left home very early, had a lot of dreams and believes that he will conquer the world, how young people do, and somewhere none of them, or perhaps most of them, were not fulfilled. And that puts on a different kind of an lifestyle onto Harry. And then Sejal walks into his life and how that changes. And it's not as simple as, from black to white, because Imtiaz, as a matter of fact, is extremely adept in dealing in the grey areas. As a matter of fact, the whole song, there was a time we really thought the film could be that, is Afsana Tera Mera, Beech Beech Mein. The relationship, life, love story, it's neither here nor there. It's not fixed, it's not unfixed, it's not black, it's not white, it's not right, it's not wrong, it's not good, it's not bad, it's some beech mein. How genuinely the life is. So that's how the film is, and then the transformation to one of the sides happens with Harry also.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we will just wrap up with this press conference. I know you guys have a long day up ahead.
We can do a few questions.
We can do
fans and everyone.
Okay.
Also, I'll take a moment because Again, not out of formality, but because when we come here, there's a lot of effort goes into people bringing us here, keeping us. So I want to thank Palazzo Versace. Thank you. It's very extremely hospitable and loving of you the way you look after us. It's for me second home, and I hope Anushka also enjoys that. Our radio partner is City 1016. Thank you very much for taking the film all over the place. There is also Yash Raj Films, which of course is the distributors in the Middle East. And in America, I'm made to understand Red Chilies because they're really lovely people. And yes, and BMW, AMGC, who have given us the cars and done all the groundwork for us. Thank you very much, all of you, for getting us here. You've been very kind.
Okay,
All right.
there's one lady with the mic. Yeah.
Hi Shahrukh and hi Anushka, both of you looking wonderful and it's thrilling to have you here. My question is for Anushka. You have been working with Shahrukh for
Keeps increasing, and I think my love for him also keeps increasing because of just how he is as a person and how he takes care of everybody. Yeah.
I actually was.
Don't get in. Yeah.
I actually was. There was one of the interviews where I remember Shahrukh, you said that she's never said that you're a good actor. She's always said that you're a good human being.
No, I think where it stems from, actually, I think it's the biggest compliment. I say it as a joke, just to trouble her. But I think it's a big compliment coming from an actor like Anushka. Because for Anushka, I've always said this, the craft is not as important as how she feels artistically about a character. And she's a believer of this, a lot of people are, if you're a good person, you do good stuff. If you do and think right, you're a right actor. So when she says, I'm a nice human being, somewhere deep down inside it means that I would be a good actor because I'm such a good human being. So I only tease her because, she started off with me, and to be really honest, when she did there was this really long scene in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. And I remember I just have to walk out. She puts this patti on my head and then she gets angry with me, and I remember Aditya Chopra was there, and I was like, I really need to sit here. I hope she doesn't get nervous. Long 2-page scene. And she just got it like this. I walk off and I stood with Adi, and he looked at me and I looked at him and he said, "Ho gaya yaar. Arey, to line nahi bhuli." I really thought we'll take whole day. And he also thought. And she's an extremely proficient, efficient, loving, honest, earnest actor. One of the best the country's ever seen. She really is. She really is. मैं यहाँ
You ever tired of it? You ever tired of this?
Okay, we got one more question. We got one more question from the lady in black.
Selfie, please! Selfie! Selfie, Shahrukh
Because everybody's speaking together, I understood everything. We'd figure out and do something together.
selfie, please! Selfie, one selfie!
Selfie, how can it be one selfie? It's only one with 100 people here. How will it be one selfie? Two things I want to understand from the world, which says, last selfie. How do you know this is the last one? There won't be another one after this. And one selfie means what? ऐसा बहुत प्यार करते हैं दोस्त, एक से नहीं मानेंगे. Okay, we'll do it. I'll do the pictures.
Hi Shahrukh, hi Anushka.
Hi.
We are thrilled to have you here in Dubai.
Thank you so much. It's really
My
wonderful
name is
to be here.
Shweta and we are from Sneha and Shweta
Hi, Shweta.
Vlog. And I'd just like to ask you about a question about the movie. Out of all the destinations that you have been to during shooting the movie, which one was the destination which was about love?
In the movie?
Yes.
I don't want to sound wrong, but we went finally to a place called Noor Mahal, which is in Punjab. And it kind of makes me feel सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. I think Prague was lovely. I think Budapest was nice and cold. I love the cold there. I think Amsterdam was great fun. Each of them was a color of love. So Amsterdam was fun. This was cold and huggable kind of weather in Budapest, and Prague is beautiful. It's just so scenic. And Lisbon itself is like warm. I mean, you feel like partying there. The Fur song is there. But actually, when you went to Noor Mahal, which was hot, which was 45 degrees, I think, it was no shade, and we were doing butterfly, and we had to travel for 2 hours. But I think all those definitions of love amalgamated and came together in Noor Mahal when we reached back in Punjab, I think.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ। इंडिया में आप बहुत मशहूर हैं माशाल्लाह से।
आपने नाम ही बताया मुझे अपना।
सर मेरा नाम शायना पटेल है।
शायना।
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 सर शायना।
शायना।
शायना पटेल, थैंक यू सो मच। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे फोन को $1 million वर्थ का बनाने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज माय फोन फॉर द लाइफ because I have one selfie which actually you created for me. Listen to me. You and me.
I just did that. Okay.
So that's why I'm not going to change my phone for the life. Thank you so much for making it.
No, not at all.
$1 million. अच्छा सर,
सस्ते में बेच रही हो।
$1 million.
तुम भी मेरी तरह चीप हो चीप।
सर आप बताएं कहीं से बोली शुरू करते हैं। सर इस मूवी में अनुष्का तो रिंग ढूंढ रही है। What are you looking for?
Anushka.
As a matter of fact, this is a lovely question actually, because जो हैरी का क्रक्स है, without again talking too much about the character, I really would like it because Imtiaz ki film is about moments and how characters speak out those moments. So I don't want to give out too much. But what he's searching for, that's the whole concept of the film for both of us. Because you've asked Harry, so I'm taking the onus and saying about Harry. What you seek is seeking you, is the whole concept of the film. और Harry को शायद खुद नहीं पता है कि वो क्या ढूंढ रहा है. And when we are reaching nearly the wrap-up zone of the film, it kind of starts coming out. And it's not a specific thing कि वो $1 million वाला phone ढूंढ रहा है. But a lot of other things. And it's a soul kind of a search, and I think he says it also in his own way कि मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैं क्या ढूंढ रहा हूँ, and so the whole idea is sometimes because we are not so clear about what we are looking for, it could be right next to you, it could be staring you back in the face, but you don't recognize it. So what you seek is seeking you is the whole story for Sejal and for Harry actually. बोलने तो दे। तो मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर आप एक दो सवाल पूछना चाहो, नाम बताना चाहो, so we'll do 5 questions from you people. We'll send you the mic. Wait a minute, is that a good idea? So we'll just send you a mic. You can just ask us things and somebody will give you a mic. Can we just? Is it possible to do a mic?
Yeah, they're taking a mic out.
जो सबसे ज़्यादा उछल रही हो लड़की उसको दे दो. आएगा आपके पास भी आएगा. सबके पास आएगा. जो इसके बाद जो सबसे ज़्यादा उछल रही थी ना उसको देना वाली. सबसे ज़्यादा 5 उछल रही है उनको देना.
Your mic's off now.
Hi Shahrukh, my name is Noor. I'm from Belgium.
Hi
I'm
Noor.
a huge fan of yours.
Thank you Noor.
I've already seen Anushka in Belgium when she was shooting for another movie. I hope you had a good experience in Europe. I just want to know what is the difference between the first movie that you shot with her in Rabni Manjuri and now?
In terms of experience together?
Yes, experience together, traveling, everything.
I'd like, there is, Anushka said this in an interview, I kind of read the line yesterday. Somehow we are so happily comfortable with each other. We are comfortable in the silences we have sometimes. And that's what I've enjoyed with Anushka. I never really need to try even from day one to kind of get to know her. And I think neither did she has wanted to make an attempt ki main bataun main kaun hu, we are working together. Every time we start a film, I'll be honest, this film we're working after some time now. Jab Tak Hai Jaan was the last time we worked. And it's been some time when we started this film. A couple of years at least, or 3 years have passed. And we take off as if, it was yesterday that we had met. So I think that feeling doesn't change. But as an experience of an actor without sounding patronizing because I've done more films than her or I've been here more years, I think every time she comes and acts, there is this element of earnestness which surprises me, that how can she retain this honesty and earnestness over the years and keep the rawness of a newcomer with the experience of nearly a thespian now. So I really enjoy that part of it.
Great.
Last question now, okay? This way.